Once again to this video, and thank you for choosing this video, because in this video I'm going to show you guys is this platform where people give out money to support people who are in need, being it education, to pay your school fees, you need money to pay your rent, the disaster has happened in your area and then you want to gather some money to support those who were affected, you want to pay your rent, you need some, you have organization and people depend on you and they want to support them. I'm going to introduce you to this website where rich people and kind people donate money to support these kind of people. So without wasting much of a time, let me take you to my screen and show you how you go about it. This platform is called Just Giving. So people are just here to give. So as you can see from this one, help people struggle during the cost of living crisis. So if you have cost of living, if you are facing difficulties in getting some finances, this platform is here, or this website is here to help you. So when you scroll down, you will see helping now. These are the people who have submitted their form in that they need some donation to support their life. So as you can see, this one, this, so 268 supporters and 4,663 raised. So this is how much this guy has raised from this platform. We are raising £1 million to help these people. So as you can see, as you can see, so there are a lot of people who have their pages here and they need people to donate to help them get out of their financial needs. So this platform is there for you. You can also come here, sign up, and also fill the form, submit, explain the reasons, explain your financial needs, what you are going to use this money for, and people are there to support you. So guys, this is how you'll be able to get free money from these rich and kind people. Thank you for watching this video. See you again with a new video, but please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you. Bye bye.